The wind whispers soft, calling your name, Eric. My heart will never be the same. Shadows stretch long, time feels unkind. Your light fades, but not from my mind. A bell tolls for the sound of goodbye. Tears fall like rain from a cloudy sky. Goodbye, Eric. Your story's not done. You live in the stars, in the moon, in the sun. Goodbye, Eric. Though we're apart, you echo forever in the chambers of my heart. The earth holds you close, cradled in rest, but we hold your laughter, your love, your best memories linger. They dance in the air. Eric, we see you everywhere. Gone from this place, yet not from our side. Your spirit is strong, in it we confide. The silence speaks, but we hear your tune. You live in the stars, in the moon, in the sun. Goodbye, Eric. Though we're apart, you echo forever in the chambers of my heart. The earth holds you close, cradled in rest, but we hold your laughter, your love, your best. We've lingered, they dance in the Your spirit is strong, in it we confide. The silence speaks, but we hear your tune. Eric, you left us far too soon. Goodbye, Eric. Your story's not done. You live in the stars, in the moon, in the sun. Goodbye, Eric. Though we're apart, you echo forever in the chambers of my heart.
The sky wore gray, like a heavy coat. The trees stood still, as if they spoke. Eric, your name lingered, soft as smoke. Goodbye, Eric, we'll carry your flame through every shadow. We'll speak your name, the world feels colder. It's not the same. The sky will gray, like a heavy coat. The trees stood still, as if they spoke. Eric, your name lingers, soft as smoke. Goodbye, Eric, we'll carry your flame through every shadow. We'll speak your name. The world feels colder, it's not the same. Goodbye, Eric. Goodbye. carries whispers through the trees, a voice I know but cannot see. In shadows cast by setting sun, I search for you, but you are gone. Forever in our hearts you'll stay, a light that time won't sweep away. The wind carries whispers through the trees, a voice I know but cannot see. In shadows cast by setting sun, I search for you, but you